Hey, how you doing, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is a new one from Kizer. This is the Kizer LP, and this is a great knife. I saw it recently on one of the Blade Show videos on YouTube, and I went right to White Mountain Knives, and sure enough, they had them in stock, and at a pretty decent price too, especially with the discount code that you may use. And this here is again the LP, and it's advertised as a reverse Tanto. That's on Kizer's site, they call it. Kind of look like a Wharncliffe type of rounded head to it, but it doesn't matter. It's a beauty, and it's super awesome. It is 154 cm steel, and this is designed by Azo, as you can see on the blade here. Yep, it's an Azo design, and look at that satin finish. It is unbelievably awesome in the hand. It is so comfortable. The way that just finger control and the neutral grip just really ramps up, and what they also have is a really decent amount of jimping here on the spine. Not overly aggressive, but definitely something that makes you really you can feel it all the way, no matter how far you got your thumb. If you got bigger hands or whatever, you'll definitely get some. You got plenty of real estate for jimping there along the spine. Overall, we're looking at 7.83 inches. The blade is 3.43 of 154 cm steel, and it is such a beautiful satin finish on this. I just love it. And the thickness on this is 0.11 inches. I mean, that is thin, but it's, as you can see, it comes relatively thick into a nice grind. And what a grind. Super sharp, razor sharp, hair popping. And the handle on this is 4.4 inches. Handle width I measured was, I'd say 0.51 inches, just over a half inch. And the weight is a decent 3.63 ounces. And just getting it in hand, it's just amazing and super sharp. Let's see my testing of my cutting skills. I mean, just look at that. That is ridiculously sharp, and it is so nice. As you can see, they got some really nice grains of the G10 that go on there, and a very fine milling on there. Now, it does feel like it's bone smooth, but you can feel it if you press hard enough into that. And you can see the excellent milling that's been done on there. We got perfect lockup. And what I really like particularly is just, look how smooth that is. And those ball bearings. Yeah, this is awesome. So smooth. You got an open pillar construction here. And got some nice jimping there on the flipper tab. This is tip up right or left carry. And just look at that. It is really nice. And here's a nice once over for you. They've got the recessed screws inside the handle. Excellent all around. That's what you get from Kizer. They really know what they're doing. And you can really feel and see the difference when using this. And yeah, I love it. Glad I got it. And man, it is just a beauty. So I'll let you get a closer look at this one last time. And it is really, I just love the satin of that 154 on there. And that edge is so sharp. If you like to see hair popping sharp, yep, there it is. My little sacrifice for art, shaving the arm. And yep, there's the bald spot. So yeah, there you go. And I really like how finely polished the pivot is on that too, the pivot screw. The whole thing is just really beautiful. Beautiful in hand and to hold it and to use. It's just super. So there you go. That is the Kizer LP. It's definitely a winner in my book. As a size comparison of one that's very much like it, is the beg lighter. Beg lighter seems to be just a smidgen bigger, but really this is awesome in the hand. It's just perfect. And it's also really nice in reverse grip too. Having that pinky just sink right into that handle choil. So nice. And you got yourself a nice area there for plenty of sharpening real estate, which shouldn't be any problem also with this knife, especially at 154 cm. So there you go. I'm Newcastle Ninja. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please feel free to give a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.